Hello everyone, this is George from Diego Remodeling and Repairs. What we're doing here is we're going to take this existing deck, demo it out, take it to the landfill, and then we put a new deck in its place. We have a lot of customers who think that they buy treated wood, it lasts 10,000 years. Well, that's not true. This is all treated wood, and you can see it's completely rotted out. Completely rotted out. You can tell it's treated because it has the little marks in it. I don't know if you can see that on the... See the little holes? So this is for Bob, who thinks that like treated wood lasts 10,000 years. That's not true. You also got 4x6 beams that are treated. They'll last about 10. You can see that this one completely fell apart. Well folks, I gotta get busy demoing it. Have a great day and bye for now. Hello everyone, this is George from Diego Remodeling. What we're doing here is building a ground level deck for one of our customers. You can see from our other pictures and videos we did the demolition of the existing deck. Now we have all the pressure treated laid out, and it got basically our footprint. Got a couple neo angles here. So we're following the same layout. Here's our decking material, and then we're going to put another 2x8 on the outside edge, so we have those kind of coded out one time before we install them. Our phone number is area code 619-850-4794. You can call us for your deck installations, any kind of deck repair you have at your home or your office. We're also doing a fence repair on the next house, so we have somebody working on that. Have a great day and bye for now. Hello everyone, this is George from Diego Remodeling. What we did here is install a new deck for one of our customers. It's approximately 12 feet wide and about 14 feet long. We like to use the wood screws, and we will put one coat of stain on it. Our phone number is area code 619-850-4794. You can call us for your deck installations, any kind of deck repairs you have at your home or your office. Thanks for watching our video. We're more than happy to come out and give you a free estimate. Have a great day and bye for now.